Which portable miter saw stand is actually worth your money? It's a simple question, but the options can be overwhelming. Today, we're cutting through the confusion to find the best ones for your needs. Product number 1, Bora Universal Miter Saw Stand. First up is the Bora Universal Miter Saw Stand. Priced at $86.39, it caught my eye with its heavy-duty design. If you want a sturdy and versatile stand that can handle your saw like a champ, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This stand can support up to 500 pounds and fits miter saws up to 12 inches. That means whether you're cutting through thick materials or just need a reliable base, it's got you covered. The quick-release mechanism makes setup a breeze and allows for quick storage. Plus, it stands at a comfortable height of 34 inches, making cuts more ergonomic. With a solid rating of 4.6 stars from over 3,300 reviews, people are clearly impressed. Now, some people complained about the weight of the stand, saying it's not as portable as they hoped. Here's the thing though, if you need something stable during use, this weight actually provides that rock-solid support, which isn't a deal-breaker for serious projects. This is perfect for you if you're a contractor or hobbyist who needs a heavy-duty stand. Skip this one if you're looking for something ultra-lightweight for quick jobs. It offers great value for what you get. Now, if the weight of the Bora bothered you, the next one might actually be even better for your mobility needs. Product number 2, DeWalt Miter Saw Stand with Wheels. Next up is the DeWalt Miter Saw Stand with Wheels, priced at $299. What caught my attention is its impressive mobility and adjustable height. If you want a stand that moves as quickly as you do, this one deserves your attention. What's great about this stand is its wide rubber grip wheels, which make transporting it effortless across job sites. It has a maximum weight capacity of 300 pounds and features adjustable mounting rails that can fit nearly any miter saw. The pneumatic-assisted raising and lowering feature gives you flexibility when setting it up. And let's not forget the compact vertical storage option that can save you valuable space. With an average rating of 4.6 stars from over 7,800 reviews, it's clear this one is a favorite among pros. Now, some users mention that the assembly can be a bit tricky, but honestly, once it's set up, you'll appreciate the durability and ease it brings into your workflow, which makes it worth the effort. This is perfect for you if you move between job sites frequently and need a stand that can keep up. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget, as it's a bit of an investment. But for what you're getting, it's definitely worth the price. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those looking for a more compact solution. Product number 3, DeWalt Compact Miter Saw Stand. Coming in at $229, we have the DeWalt Compact Miter Saw Stand. This caught my eye because of its lightweight design and incredible stability. If you want a stand that offers both portability and strength, this is one to consider. It holds up to 500 pounds and features a 40-inch beam that extends to support materials up to 10 feet long. The lightweight aluminum construction makes it easy to transport while still providing solid support. Plus, with a rating of 4.8 stars from 2,300 reviews, it's hard to ignore its popularity. However, some users noted that the locking mechanism can feel a bit flimsy. Here's the thing though, as long as you're careful during setup and use, it shouldn't be a deal breaker for most users. This is perfect for you if you want a compact and lightweight stand that doesn't compromise on strength. Skip this one if you require a stand for extremely heavy-duty use. Its price is fair for the features and quality you receive. Now, if you're looking for something even more affordable, the next option could be right up your alley. Product number 4, Wen Miter Saw Stand. Next, let's talk about the Wen Miter Saw Stand, priced at $124.99. This one really stands out because of its collapsible design and built-in power outlets. If you want a versatile stand that can fit nearly any miter saw, this is worth checking out. It features a sturdy steel frame that elevates your saw to 33 inches, and the extendable support arms can reach from 32 to 79 inches, making it ideal for larger cuts. Plus, with 3 onboard 15A outlets, you can plug in your tools directly to the stand, making it super convenient. Rated 4.4 stars from over 3,600 reviews, this stand is a solid choice for many users. But honestly, for the convenience and price, it still holds its own for most DIY projects and light professional use. This is perfect for you if you need a budget-friendly option that doesn't skimp on features. Skip this one if you're using it for heavy-duty tasks where maximum stability is a must. It's an excellent value for what you get. Now, if you're looking for something a bit more heavy-duty, let's move on to our final option.